Suji biscuits or ghee biscuits, light, crumbly and melt in the mouth. Traditionally they are made with ghee, but today I am showing you a vegan twist that's just as delicious. Yes, you can make Suji biscuits without ghee. Let's get started. First, roast some Suji flour lightly at low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Suji is also called semolina or rava. Allow Suji to cool down, then grind until fine in a dry grinder. For exact measurements in gram, please refer to the description. The full recipe is in the description. Now sift together all dry ingredients. We have all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, and the Suji flour we roasted and ground earlier. Also add oat milk powder. This is my secret ingredient for super creamy Suji biscuits minus the ghee. Add a pinch of salt and baking powder. Meanwhile, lightly heat some coconut oil until melted. You may also use vegan ghee if preferred. Pour the coconut oil little by little into the sifted ingredients. Mix all together with a spatula until a slightly wet dough is obtained. Add vanilla essence and mix. Bring all together into a soft dough. The dough should be soft but not sticky. Add more oil if the dough is too dry. Today I used exactly 3/4 cup of coconut oil. Check by rolling a little dough into a ball. If it holds its shape, the oil is sufficient. Now the dough looks good. Cover and leave aside to rest for 10 minutes. Then take some dough and make small or medium-sized balls. You can use a spoon like this to make the measurement more accurate. Slide out from the spoon and roll into round shapes. A traditional method to get perfect round shapes is to roll the ball in the palm of the hand a few times until a perfect round shape is obtained. Place them on a lined baking tray. Now grab a cup of coffee and relax in front of the TV to watch a good movie until all the biscuits are shaped perfectly. Place a piece of cherry on top of the biscuits. You may leave the biscuits without any toppings too. Or place some chopped almonds for a crunchy taste. Keep them in the fridge for 30 minutes. This is an optional step. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until the biscuits turn lightly golden and the kitchen smells heavenly. Be careful when baking as the cookies tend to burn quickly. Check the reverse side to see if they are cooked. A light brown color on the reverse indicates the cookies are ready. Remove from the oven and allow cookies to cool down completely. Then store them in airtight containers. They should last for 3 to 4 weeks if stored correctly. And there you have it, vegan Suji biscuits that are just as crumbly, buttery and satisfying without using a drop of ghee. Proof that tradition can be honored and adapted to a plant-based lifestyle. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who loves biscuits as much as you do. Happy baking! See you in the next video.